Hey guys, my name is Logan Chappell. I'm from Lyman, Utah, and I'm a geology major. So, the current capstone project I have right now, I've bounced around from a couple ideas, but my senior project is working on the Pine Valley Laccolith and the Henry Mountains Laccolith, and it's a really big project that's going to lead to like presenting at a couple conferences. So, I'm not entirely sure what more I will do with it for the honors capstone, but I'm definitely going to do something with the honors capstone. So basically, what we're doing, just briefly, is we're taking samples from extrusive and intrusive rock, which I don't know how much detail to get into here. We're taking samples from a volcano that never erupted, and we're going to find out why it didn't and what the surrounding area looked like, and just we're trying to learn about the area. So we're going to we have been working with Stanford using their microprobe to analyze our samples on a microscopic level, get chemical analysis. It's been pretty um, very detailed studies on these samples. So once we get the data back, we're going to compile them, summarize them, explain what we're learning, what we are finding out, and then we're going to present that at UCUR and the geological convention, GSA, something like that. Anyway, so that's where we're at. We're just waiting on data. For that's for my senior project, like my senior capstone, and so I'm going to do something more with it with the honors, but I'm not entirely sure what that is yet. It matters because like a geologist, as a geologist, our job is to figure out how the world works and why it does the things that it does. And so this topic isn't necessarily like super useful to everyday people. Like a common person's not going to care what we find out about a volcano, but for geologists, this data is really fascinating because no one studied it. And the Pine Valley Laccolith, it's located between Cedar City and St. George. It is unique. It's not like the only one of its kind, but it's unique. And so and no one studied it yet. So we are doing groundbreaking research on something that no one's ever studied before. And it's important just because we want to figure out why this area that we live in looks the way that it does, why the geologic features that are here, and so that's why it matters. So yeah, will be the deliverable will be presenting. So we'll have, the what are they called? Like picture board, the Festival of Excellence. Basically, one of those. We're doing a poster. We're doing presentation. Like it'll be an oral presentation in front of large crowds, um, along with just wherever we need to present it at. So that's gonna be the deliverable. And my mentor will be Professor Kaiser. He's the department chair for geology for the College of Sciences, Natural Sciences. Um, so yeah, I guess my worries and stuff is just like finding out exactly what I want to do with it. I'm excited because it's a really cool project, and the fact that no one's ever done it before means might be able to get some good recognition from it and presenting it. It's going to be really cool to make those connections and get to know people at these conferences. So it's going to be an exciting project once we actually can get into it. I mean, we've already been working with Stanford, with BYU, just using their lab equipment, and it's kind of fun. So I'm just excited to see what it is. And goal for this course is just learning how to write and analyze academic papers, like scientific papers, because I'll be honest, I'm not very good at getting much from them. It's a lot of words that are really big, and like I want to be able to learn how to read them effectively as well as like write them effectively. I know that's not exactly what this class is for, but it's like the gathering of the knowledge and like what goes into a paper like that. So that is my plan. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I look forward to getting to know you guys in some level with this online class, but yeah, that's me.